run an e-commerce store and you're thinking about hiring a virtual assistant, but you're just not quite sure what a virtual assistant could help you with. Well, you're in luck, because in today's video, we're going to go over what a virtual assistant can help you with, what you need to do before you hire a virtual assistant, and where you can find a virtual assistant to help you in your e-commerce business. Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm one of the co-founders of Outsource Monkey. We run a virtual assistant agency helping to pair business owners with virtual assistants in the Philippines. So I'm an expert on all things virtual assistants, outsourcing, hiring, and that's why I'm making today's video. So if you want to stay up to date with all of our videos, please quickly make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications as to when we put out new content. Now, let's dive into the episode. So, what can a virtual assistant actually help you with? Number one is product research. So I know one of the biggest and most time-consuming things to do when you run an e-commerce store is actually researching new products, researching those trends, consumer trends, and really looking and analyzing at what people are buying versus what they're not buying. So that is the number one thing that a virtual assistant could potentially help you with in your e-commerce business. Number two, writing product descriptions. So time consuming, so frustrating to do, but it needs to be done right. So your virtual assistant can help you write those product descriptions, particularly if you have an e-commerce store that is constantly changing all of your products. You're constantly updating things and adding new products or taking products away. It's a lot of time and effort to write the descriptions for everything and keep them updated. So that's just one of the things that your VA could help you with. Number three is editing the images on your website. So it sounds exactly as it is. They're just going to go into your website, update the images for all of the new products that you're adding to your site. Number four is product listings and optimization. Once you have your products up online, you obviously need to make sure that the whole web page and everything to do with the product is fully optimized at all times. So they can go in, check everything that's working properly, do a little bit of SEO, change around some keywords, make sure that everything is fully optimized for your products to get the best chance of being found by your customers. Next, your virtual assistant can help with managing inventories. So keeping track of how much inventory you have left for your e-commerce store, when you need to make new orders, and all of that sort of stuff. Next, we have handling order processing. So making sure that your virtual assistant is helping you to manage all of the orders that are coming in, making sure that they can contact the suppliers if we need to, or contact the clients or the customers if there's a potential issue. So just helping you to manage that every day-to-day order processing. And lastly, they can help with assisting you for any returns or exchanges. So this can be a really tedious and time-consuming thing. You have people emailing you, they need to return something, they need to change the size, or it's not right, or you might get the occasional faulty product. Whatever it is, they can help you to manage your clients' responses in your website. They can help you to manage the returns, the exchanges, all that sort of stuff, so that you don't have to do it. Now, part two of this video is what you actually need to set up before you hire a virtual assistant to help you with your e-commerce store. Now, there's two main things that you need to do before you hire a VA to help you with everything. Number one is to make sure that you have everything documented. If you are thinking about hiring a virtual assistant, next time you're sitting down at your computer to work, whether you're updating your website, updating the product descriptions, helping do the returns or exchanges, whatever it is, start a Zoom or a Loom recording of yourself and talk to your screen as you're working. Tell the virtual assistant, okay, I'm clicking here, then this is what we do next, and this is what we do next. Make these recordings of yourself working so that when your VA starts, they know exactly your particular ways of working. So obviously they might have worked with other e-commerce store owners in the past, but they might not know your particular ways of working or the way that you like things done. So if you have all of these Zoom recordings or Loom recordings, you can add them all into a document with the links to the videos in there, broken down into the different sections as to what they need to do, plus passwords that they might need. And then this will act as their training document or their SOP, standard operating procedure document, so that they know exactly what they need to be doing at all times. And the second thing that you need to do before you actually hire a virtual assistant and onboard them is to make sure that you make a list of very clear expectations as to what you want the virtual assistant to be working on every single day. So my favorite way to do this is to actually set up a project management system. I love Monday.com, but you could also use Asana if you just want to use a free one. Set up a project management system and break down one particular board by day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then write exactly what you want them to be doing every single day. So there might be some recurring tasks that they're doing every day, or they might be focusing on product descriptions on Monday, changing images on Tuesday, optimizing web pages on Wednesday, and so on and so forth, so that they have specific roles and responsibilities on every single day. Also let them know how many of each thing you want them to do. So if you want them to change out 10 images per day, 10 product descriptions, or whatever it is, set those expectations so that it's very clear for the VA what they need to be doing, what they need to be helping you with, and what you expect from them so that they know what to deliver. Now, I'm curious, if you're starting an e-commerce store, drop the link below. I would love to see what you're thinking about selling or what you've just started selling and setting up. And maybe you're thinking about hiring a virtual assistant. Drop the link below. I'd love to check out your store and have a look at your products. And part 3 of this video is how to find a virtual assistant. So once you've created your SOP training manual and you've really got a clear list of the expectations for your virtual assistant, it's going to be very easy to find somebody, because those expectations and the training manual, they're sort of going to act as like a job description. Basically, you will know exactly what they need to do. And so you could come then to an agency like Outsource Monkey, where we'll find you a virtual assistant with experience in exactly what you need. So the benefit of working with an agency like us is we do all the hard work for you. We screen through all of the applicants, we have interviews with them all, we go through all of the details, and we just send you the perfect VA. All you need to do is let us know the job description, and then we will send you the VA. So that's one easy, very simple way for you to find a virtual assistant. But if you don't want to go through Outsource Monkey, there are other options like Upwork, Fiverr. There's so many different online platforms that you can go ahead and find virtual assistants. You could even look in Facebook groups or ask for recommendations of friends, of other people that run e-commerce stores. Maybe they have a really great virtual assistant. So you have a few different options. Obviously, I'm a little bit biased and I feel like Outsource Monkey is the best option just because we have such an amazing team of virtual assistants that already help e-commerce store owners. We have VAs that are ready to go for you right now, but if you don't want to go through Outsource Monkey, that's completely fine. If you do, please go ahead, shoot us an email, hello@outsourcemonkey.com.au. I would absolutely love to help you out. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications as to when we put out new content every single week. And until the next episode, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.